Is your kitchen condiment area looking cluttered and dirty? Let's get started with cleaning and organizing it. The first step is to declutter your condiment rack. Sort through and remove expired items. To make the countertop space more efficient, we are replacing the old rack with a slimmer and taller one to fit in condiments such as tall oil bottles. Condiment bottles tend to be sticky and dirty over time. Wipe stains down using a damp cloth before storing them on the rack. Decant daily used condiments such as sugar and salt. Clear airtight containers are great for storing them. To avoid confusion between salt and sugar, label them. Categorize condiments into groups based on their use. For example, group all your spices together, all your oils together, making it easier for you to find what you need. Slide chopping board on the extended holder at the side. Once you have your organized condiment rack, it is essential to maintain it. Make it a habit to put items back in their designated containers after use. Look at the before and after. Isn't it neater and cleaner now?